muscle Woody Woodpecker. Ha! That's a laugh. Why, I'll tear him apart.
You mean the one with the red hair?
Yeah.
And the big nose?
Yeah, yeah.
And they go, ha 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 ha.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And he is one big TV star?
Yeah, that's the one.
I don't know him, senor. Hey, Bub. Do you like popcorn?
Did you say popcorn?
Uh-huh.
What kind?
Fresh, hot buttered popcorn.
Did you say hot and buttered?
Yeah, and sugar-coated, too.
Did you say sugar-coated?
Here's your 50 cents. Now, where's my brew?
Right this way, lady.
He's a lovable boy.
It's right in there.
And away we go. That ain't it. And away we go. That ain't it. And away we go. 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 Away we go.
And away we go. Oh! Hi-ho, my broom, and away we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
Well, I mean, I only got up to my threesies.
Well, take 5.
In all my years in this vital industry, this is the first time this has ever happened.
If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened. If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened. If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened.
Stop, you crook!
If Woody had gone right to the police,
Shut up!
You got a light?
The man says elite. Read. Up wing flat. Retract landing gear. Roger and out.
My word, that looks like the Statue of Liberty torch.
Now, as I was saying, voodoo is for the birds. Whoops. Oh, this is most embarrassing.
No! No! No!
Bring back my barrel.
Oh, no! Shut up! Before we go over now, men, is there anyone here without a barrel?